How do I unblock someone on Instagram?
Hello and welcome. In today's tutorial, we'll learn how to unblock someone on Instagram. Perhaps you blocked them in haste or a situation has since been resolved, and you'd like to reconnect. Let's get started.
Open Instagram and go to Settings.
First, you'll want to open your Instagram application. Once you're in, go to your profile by tapping on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of your screen. Once there, you'll see 3 lines in the top right corner. Tap on them to open a menu. In this menu, you'll see the Settings option at the bottom. Tap on it.
Navigate to Privacy and Blocked Accounts.
In your Settings menu, scroll down until you find the Privacy option. Tap on it to open the Privacy settings. Within the Privacy settings, you'll find the Blocked Accounts option. This is where Instagram lists all the accounts you've blocked.
Unblock the desired account.
You'll see a list of all accounts that you have blocked. Find the person you want to unblock, and tap on their name. This will take you to their profile. Once you're on their profile, you'll see a big blue button that says Unblock. Tap on it. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm that you want to unblock this person. Tap Unblock again in this prompt. And that's it. You've successfully unblocked someone on Instagram. Now, you can interact with their account as you would any other. Remember, it's your space, and you have every right to decide who can interact with you on it. If you ever need to block or unblock someone again, you now know how. Thanks for joining me, and I hope this video has been helpful.